Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I've had to make one of these online videos, but luckily my skills from COVID still come in handy from when we were online teaching. Here are the notes that we would have taken as a class if we were together today, but we're not going to get to them, obviously. Instead, I just want you guys to watch this video, and if you want, you can get a copy of the notes from me when we go back, or you can take the notes on a separate piece of paper and put them in the appropriate place in your binder. We're going to skip this whole top part entirely. And hopefully you've already seen the con video that I posted because it'll make more sense. I'm sorry, what I'm going to talk about will make more sense if you've seen the con video that I posted. So if you have not seen the con video, it's about a 6-minute video. Go and watch that and then watch this video. Because I just want to summarize all of the ideas that were in the con. Okay. So let me zoom in here really quick and let's just summarize some of the main ideas that were in that video. So let's say we were given a function that tells me the position of any particle moving in a straight line, whether that straight line is left to right, like this, or whether that straight line is up and down, like this. So, yeah, any one of those motions. So this function tells me where on this line that particle is. If it starts here, and the function will tell me if it ends up somewhere over here or somewhere over here, and so on and so forth. So x of t corresponds with position. If I take the derivative of that function, that's going to tell me the velocity of how fast that object is traveling. Okay, so sometimes you'll also see the velocity function represented as v of t. And then if I take the derivative of the derivative, I end up with x double prime of t. And that's going to tell me the acceleration of the particle or of the thing that is moving back and forth on this straight line. And you can also think of that as the derivative of the velocity function, which is the same thing as a of t. So we've got position, velocity, and acceleration. So if we're given a position function and we take the first derivative, we get the velocity. If we take the derivative of the derivative, we're given the acceleration. Okay. Now, a couple things about the velocity function. If your velocity is positive, that tells me that my object is moving either to the right or up. So it's moving in positive directions. Right and up are positive directions. If your velocity is negative at any point, then it's moving to the left or down. And if velocity is 0, that means your object has stopped. Okay, so that's just a quick summary.